Hi guys, this is Thomas from Support. Today we're talking about how to travel with film and specifically with instant film. What is important when you travel with film is that your film is not going to be X-rayed a lot of times. The negative in the film is sensitive to the X-ray machines. So if your film gets X-rayed over and over again, then it might be ruined. This is true for 35mm film, but it's also true for instant film. So I do have here an ISO 100 Kodak Trimax. I have a color SX70 film. It says it's ISO 160. Then we have color 600 film by Polaroid Originals. I keep on saying Impossible Project. It is ESA 640. And then we have another ISO 100 film. And we have a Fujifilm FP3000B. This has ISO 3000. And so what's important when you travel with film? First of all, try to not have it X-rayed too many times. Okay. The other thing is that I will never check in film. So always put the film in your hand luggage, in your carry-on baggage. The reason is the X-ray that scans your checked luggage is a lot stronger than the one that is used for the carry-on baggage. So this is the first thing, never check in film. The second thing is the higher the ISO of the film is, the more likely it is that it gets damaged. So more X-rays, bad. Higher ISO, bad. Can happen that the film is damaged more easily. So you might ask, so what is higher ISO? So I would not be comfortable to have my FP3000B scanned not even once. I would be okay if I have my color SX70 scanned with the X-ray machine on the airport in the checked baggage. If I have like to go to, I don't know, from Europe to the US, have it scanned like 2 or 3 times, and then take the same film back to Europe, again, having it scanned like 3 times, that might be a problem, but you'll never know. Then the ISO 640 Polaroid Originals film, I think that's fine. I traveled a lot with this kind of film and most of the times it was okay. But like I said, I always hand checked it. And yeah, the 3000B I would not put it in the X-ray machine. So either I would not even bring it or I would ask at the airport to hand check the film. I have no experience with that. I never asked, but I read a lot of times that you can ask airport security to hand check the film, but I think it's a gamble. So if the 3000 film will be put into the X-ray machine, then it most likely will not survive. Okay, so sum it up. What's important when traveling with film is that you not have it X-rayed a lot of times. Also, always put the film in your carry-on baggage and never in the checked baggage. And maybe bring film that is of not that high ISO. So everything over, I don't know, 1000 ISO is problematic. The last thing is I would try to pack the film somewhere that the airport security can also access it. So do not put it in like a tin box or something. So then they have to rescan everything. And maybe that's the last tip. Try to pack your bag so that airport security will not have to rescan your stuff. So remove your laptop, remove your liquids, remove stuff from your bag so that it just can go through the scanner once. Or maybe even put the film in a separate plastic bag, remove it from your bag, put it in a container so that the airport security has an easy time checking your stuff and your film. Another tip for film in the camera, I would also try to avoid having film in the camera, but sometimes it's not possible. I do not have had a problem with Polaroid cameras filled with film that was scanned in the checked baggage, was scanned in the carry-on baggage, but I don't know. In the end, it's basically try to avoid situations where the film can get ruined, and yeah. If you have any questions about this, please feel free to leave them in the comments. If you have interest in any other topic that I might tackle for you, let me know. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel and talk soon.